Yeah, welcome back to Chasing Trophies. Today was Lucknow Super Giants versus the Delhi Capitals. A convincing win in the end for Delhi Capitals, but it wasn't an easy chase. Faiz joining me as well. भाई आज जो गेम था, we saw a lot of things. अच्छी bowling देखने को मिला, थोड़ी अच्छी बैटिंग को भी देखने को मिला. आज मेरे को मालूम है हेडलाइन ऋषभ पंत होने वाला है, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है भाई. But yeah, Faiz, your initial thoughts on the game we just witnessed.
Game अच्छा था Mustafa, like honestly till second inning power play it was going well. Even till 8th-9th over there was still pressure on, but the maturity that Samir Azmi showed, I think everyone got it wrong with the impact player. Me, you, everyone, because we were fighting between Ashutosh Nair and एकदम Samir Azmi ऑटो लेके कहाँ से आ गया. तो वो हिसाब से अगर मैं देखूँ, I think Samir Azmi was the right choice. We saw glimpses of him last season against Mumbai Indians with the likes of Bumrah. इन लोगों को भी he was attacking and playing well. Again, credit to Thala निकाल के लाए थे.
Yeah, he started in CSK, right?
Tamil Nadu Premier League से लेके आए थे उनको. Very good scouting from Ashwin and Dhoni. And then he managed to break the scene last year for Delhi Capitals as well, and this year again being the front runner, which no one was expecting. But Rishabh Pant, yes, like you said, came up the order. Why? Nobody knows. I would say, like I was thinking of left hand, right hand is getting everyone accustomed, but I think there's some people that were saying earlier in our live stream, came high for his own form side Larate, but yeah, a poor collapse from the Lucknow Super Giants, which threw them off their impact stuff. This Digvesh Rathi that completely affected him in the second innings. Delhi had a very good stable middle order, and they still had Miller to come. They still had a few more batsmen to come. And at the end of the day, I think what was expected initially, which had a few more hiccups than what was expected, Delhi taking away the game.
Yeah, I think Rishabh Pant ka wahi hai, if it came off, it would have looked amazing, and the right hand, left hand, what a genius move, and so it didn't come off. Now everyone's going to question that, and I think rightly so, it will be questioned because you did have a good combination up at the top, and Aiden Markram was in pretty much good form with Mitchell Marsh, alongside Mitchell Marsh. So thoda surprising tha wo, lekin I did find the wicket a bit tricky. It wasn't that easy. It wasn't up until the second innings, like, after the 7th, 8th over. I'm not sure if the Duke Kimber it looked like that because the ball is coming on nicely. And there was not too much turn also in the first innings, mind you. Yes. But overall, the pitch was a bit tricky. I thought both teams bowled beautifully. Natarajan, man, he's been incredible. This guy's been injured in the, he's been in the ambulance for the last 3-4 years. Magar unhe aake bhai, jis tarike se bowling kara. Him and Mohsin Khan, these two are very injury-prone players. Yeah. But today they showed, with a bit of help in the conditions, they are incredible bowlers and they have that composure and the accuracy as well.
Yeah, muscle memory, man. Kya muscle memory hai bhai dono ki jis tarike. It's like they never left cricket. एक सेकंड को नहीं दिख रहा उन्हें अभी सब अपना बोलते हैं एम्बुलेंस में थे या उनका टो इंजर्ड हो गया था लास्ट सीजन. Mohsin Khan का shoulder injury. So we've been waiting for these guys, and आप बहुत तारीफ कर रहे थे 22 से. I think we've been praising Mohsin Khan a lot, and now we know why. Everyone's been saying that Mohsin Khan is one of the most unluckiest bowler not to get an Indian trial and stuff like that. So I think now there'll be again questions over if he has a good IPL, like where do they get him in ODI? Will be able to get him as a test bowler? Let's see. But I think Mohsin and Natarajan spot on. बहुत ही जबरदस्त है. Shami, the return of Mohammad Shami, man. We were all looking forward to it.
We missed the wicket.
It hurts also, but we're happy because of what this guy's been through since the BGT24. सब याद कर रहे थे उसको, फिर एकदम से लाइट ले लिए, चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी जिताया, फिर आईपीएल अच्छा नहीं गया, भूल गए, बट डोमेस्टिक सीजन बहुत ही अच्छा खेल रहे बंगाल के लिए. And today, like he's putting where his money, putting his money where his mouth is, and he said कि भाई selector क्यों नहीं select करे मेरे को, आप जाके कोच से पूछ लो.
And उसकी भाई सीम पोजीशनिंग जबरदस्त थी, उसका रिदम बहुत जबरदस्त था. मतलब टैंकी फुल है अभी उसकी. He is like full petrol now, full gas he's bowling with, because उन्हें एक साल बराबर डोमेस्टिक भी खेला, तो वो रिदम में भी है वो बंदा, उसका रन अप भी स्मूथ चल रहा. Well done to him. We missed his wicket, but I think we just saw it right now. So that helped us. KL Rahul का wicket था, वो भी डक पे पहला बॉल. So what a comeback in his IPL career after last year. And that's what it is, right? Like you have ups and downs as a cricketer, and Shami now is getting back into that form. Batting again, if you see, अब देखो दिल्ली का top order weakness है, मिडिल ऑर्डर स्ट्रेंथ है. लखनऊ का टॉप ऑर्डर स्ट्रेंथ है, मिडिल ऑर्डर वीकनेस है. आज इनका टॉप ऑर्डर नहीं चला, इनका मिडिल ऑर्डर चल गया. तो ये स्ट्रेंथ चल गया इनका स्ट्रेंथ
और डेप्थ ज्यादा इनके पास आ गई दिल्ली के पास ना. उसके बाद विराज निगम थोड़ी बैटिंग कर लेंगे, मिलर. यहाँ पे क्या है, आपको एक बार Markram, Puran, and then Badoni, Samad, Wathoda. Like, we know they can play cricket. Samad's finished off some very vital games for them last season. Jammu Kashmir में अच्छा खेले, Badoni Delhi के लिए अच्छा खेले, लेकिन यहाँ पे मिलर पता है IPL में like proven IPL and विप्राश निगम last season was very good. आशुतोष के साथ similar game में chase करे थे. So these things थोड़ा put Delhi up front in the stocks, but Delhi के लिए again like you said, a top order combination क्या करें? पुरेल, KL राहुल, निशांका,
पृथ्वी शॉ,
और क्या ही होना, like what do they go with ultimately? That will be a very nerve-wracking.
वो क्लिक नहीं हो रहा, और ये 3 साल से प्रॉब्लम हो रहा. एक बार क्लिक हुआ था मगध के साथ, वो भी 5-6 गेम क्लिक हुआ बिकॉज़ पहले के हाफ में नहीं खेल रहा था.
वही सब बैटिंग देख रहे नहीं थे ना कि आगे फोड़ते रहे फर्स्ट बॉल, थोड़ा कन्वेंशनल थे लोग.
मतलब उन्हें खेल रहा था, क्लिक नहीं हो रहा था. वो जब क्लिक हुआ उसके बाद तो फिर वही सीजन था उनका. अगर क्लिक हो गया ओपनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन, देन बिकॉज़ द बैटिंग डेप्थ दैट दे प्रोवाइड एंड द फिनिशर्स दैट दे हैव, वो लोग बहुत लीथल टीम हो सकती है ना. उनकी बॉलिंग भी भाई हर चीज कवर है. देखो आकिब नबी इज अ टॉकिंग पॉइंट बिकॉज़ हम लोग सब एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे वो खेलेगा. अगर हमारे पास है तो हमेशा खेलता था वो बिकॉज़ अपनी कुछ जरूरत थी वो बंदा. लेकिन ही इज देयर ऑन द बेंच एंड दैट पिंचेस मी अ बिट मोर कि भैया वहां जाके बेंच पे बैठा, हम तो एटलीस्ट खिला देते
और एक आधा करोड़ दे दिए तो हो गया.
हम खिला देते. लेकिन it's not a bad move in hindsight because they went with the experienced players, Mukesh, Natarajan, and अभी देखो भाई स्पिनर्स भी उनके जबरदस्त है. कुलदीप यादव, शोन मैन इज अ इनक्रेडिबल मैच विनर. हर मैच में उन्हें विकेट लेता है. तो आज भी 1-2 छक्के खाए बट ही ऑलवेज कम्स बैक टू विकेट. हां, सबसे बड़ी विकेट थी. मतलब यू नो वो बंदा रन मार रहा था. ही लुक्ड अ बिट इन फॉर्म. उसकी विकेट ली. आई एम मिसिंग वन मोर बॉलर. आई टॉक अबाउट अक्षर, मुकेश, Natarajan, Kuldeep. One more guy I'm missing. Ngidi, man. How can we not talk about him, bro? Lungi Ngidi.
One of the balls of the day.
Yeah, man. The slower ball. You have to Nicholas Pooran.
And Pooran is a jhoota.
Yeah.
Made a ball.
Unbelievable ball, man. And look, Ngidi is bowling in place of Mitchell Starc. Mitchell Starc is a world champion, one of the best bowlers, or if not the best bowler the world has seen in the last 10 years. उसको रिप्लेस कर रहा है. जिस तरीके से भाई Ngidi bowling कर रहा है. We already found out in the World Cup, like you know, if we didn't know, we knew. And आज तो उन्हें दिखा दिया कि भाई that wasn't like any luck or any fluke or anything. मैं हूँ यहाँ पे. बहुत जबरदस्त bowling कर रहा है.
भाई ऑफ कटर्स एंड डिस्गाइज में जो स्लो बॉल वेरिएशंस, हाइट एडवांटेज है इसकी. बाउंस एक्सपेक्ट करोगे आप, स्लोअर वन ऐसा. Literally that was such a deceiving ball जो ने निकोलस पुरन को डाला. And then the second ball of the day was Prince Yadav to Akshar Patel. That was an incredible ball. In under eye ball, Akshar Patel went for like a cut. I don't know what he went for. It went in and dandi उड़ा दिया. Like incredible ball. Prince Yadav actually was one of the better bowlers as well. Like he bowled very well.
Princey, yes.
He got a little feisty as well.
Yeah, and he was getting movement. Like थोड़ा बहुत wides आ रहे थे, but he was getting good movement, man. बहुत जबरदस्त bowling कर रहा था. Pace भी अच्छी खासी थी उसकी.
और LSE the biggest missing is Markram and वो शाहबाज अहमद का होगा. That went.
हाँ, वो down the leg side चले गए हम लोग and वो always risky था. शाहबाज का तो बस उनके पास choice नहीं था. They had to go with him.
Yeah.
But Markram का थोड़ा सा avoid कर सकते हो. But फिर भी अब ये भी मुझे ऐसा लगा यार, like जब इन लोग दोनों settle हो गए थे, the ball was coming nicely. They were all right.
Due आ गई थी, थोड़ी due आ गई थी. I think balance हो गया था.
Yeah, they looked all right for that. But yeah, man, this today was about Samir Rizvi. Tristan Sharp, hats off for him for like calming his ego, playing second fiddle. You know, normally a player like him.
That's a leadership quality.
Yeah, and he is a captain, right? He's a captain in SC20. He's going to be future South Africa captain. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा. तो उन्हें जिस तरीके से he said कि भाई let me take the driver, the passenger seat. Let Samir Rizvi drive the game. वही हुआ. And Samir Rizvi भाई सबर दिखाया. ऐसा नहीं है कि hard ball मारा. उन्हें 2-3 डॉट बॉल भी खेला, सिंगल डबल भी खेला. उसको पता था भाई ये रन रेट है. And you know कहीं ना कहीं हमारे को like 1-2 बाउंड्रीज आएंगे because of bad delivery. वही हुआ. Sometimes he was patient for 2 overs and then third over he would swing, but he would only swing when it's in down the leg side or way wide. That's where he would swing. Do you think there's a pattern coming here कि भाई winning the toss, bowling and winning the game?
अभी तक तो पूरे वैसे दिखना 5 के 5 chase हो चुके हैं and it doesn't. But like in this game particularly, the last game in the गुजरात पंजाब में at least the wicket was a little bit
yeah. मगर
yeah. हाँ बस वो है कि game plan आपका maybe in terms of LSE maybe they could have put a little bit more attacking up front, try to finish off what is there. अब that's all hindsight की बात. I agree with the Shubman Gill and think ऊपर कॉनली के अलावा कोई बचे नहीं थे तो maybe वहाँ पे they missed a trick. You know they had वो सिराज को नहीं दिए या you know वो स्पिनर के साथ चले आते. Something that could have happened, but at least हाँ अभी तक तो पैटर्न तो यही दिख रहा है कि भाई chasing team wins. कल देखते हैं कि क्या होता है. But I feel right now like in these 2 last games at least there was a little bit more with the wicket. Like it was a little.
मतलब थोड़ा डाउट था कि भाई ये गेम हार सकती है, चेस नहीं होगी. मतलब डाउट तो था, आज भी था, कल भी था. वो बात सही है. But the result and then क्या होता है, like when that is the thing, when you have a score which is not out of your hands, right? आपको
20 more runs
हाँ.
probably आज लखनऊ के साइड से अगर 20
हाँ.
रन जा रहा है तो
वही you need to get those extra runs and impact सबके वजह से आपको वो भी clarity मिल जाती है ना. We have an extra batsman. यहाँ पे उन लोग they were forced to play their Lucknow had to forced to play their impact, तो उन लोग वहाँ पे भी फंस गए थे. But yeah, it is what it is from there. Do you see any changes for Delhi, or they'll just stick to the winning
I
combination?
think winning combination for now, it's just one game. KL Rahul and all of these guys, but they'll have to make a combination. So अगर ज़्यादा changes आप ऊपर करोगे तो फिर combination कभी set नहीं होगा.
मतलब उन लोगों
एक दो
को
तीन
chances
गेम देना पड़ेगा आपको, वरना फिर ये हो जाएगा कि too quick and chop and change वाला mentality अगर आप adopt करोगे, then we see what happened last year. Because you went with Faf KL and then you went with Kurel KL and then you went with JFM and you went with a lot of combinations. I think this year will probably take a little bit slower. They won the game. It's not like they lost. They have another game. I think they'll play a similar squad, and then we'll see. I think that's how I would take it with Delhi Capitals right now.
यार लखनऊ के लिए मैं एक ही चीज पॉजिटिव और एक चीज बोलूंगा. मतलब पॉजिटिव्स तो है उनके परफॉर्मेंस में, बट मैं एक चीज बोलूंगा कि उनको ये देखना है कि भाई अपनी जो वीकनेस थी वो इंप्रूव होगी. अभी अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को है, वी जस्ट नीड टू गेट इट बैक टू वेयर इट वाज. लाइक आवर स्ट्रेंथ इज आवर बैटिंग, अपनी टॉप ऑर्डर है. वी जस्ट नीड टू गेट बैक, वेदर वी आर चेंजिंग द ऑर्डर और नॉट. We just need our players to fire. If they fire, they can also smash in the power play. We also have to understand this was a sticky wicket. It wasn't the best wicket. They might need to go back to their last year plan. Right now, this is a 2-3 year वाला plan जहाँ पे KL राहुल भी फंसे थे जब वो लखनऊ के कप्तान थे. तो शायद they will probably enjoy themselves on wickets like in Hyderabad or in Bangalore or in Mumbai. Those kind of wickets would probably suit them more, and that's where maybe their batsmen can really attack. And you will have this like in you'll have different conditions, you'll have different thing. वहाँ पे उनका बॉलर का टेस्ट होगा ज्यादा rather than the batsman. शायद बॉलर को वो वाली स्विंग नहीं मिलेगी, तो उनको यही देखना पड़ेगा. But yeah, I think that pretty much wraps it up. Thank you Faz, thank you everybody for joining us. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, do comment on the video as well. We've got a lot of content coming, and today is a big day also because Sunrisers are playing, and we were waiting for this for the last 3-4 days. They're playing against KKR, so we'll have the preview and everything for that as well. So yes, thank you guys, thank you everybody. Catch you guys soon. Take care everybody. Bye bye.